Take my hand, take my whole life too, but I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river's flow surely to the sea. Yeah, we're going. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it's good weather today. Look at that, sunny, a little windy, and the temperature is, what is the temperature? Look at that, it's just above the 10 degrees, so maybe 15 something. Yeah, I'm just going to have my breakfast. It's going to be fried egg with tuna. The tuna is going to be stuffing on the egg. I will show you. First, you put oil, a little more, a little more. I know just how to whisper, and I know just how to find. I know just when to find the answer, and I know just when to love. I know just how to win it, then I know just how to try. I know to get you closer, and I know when to let you loose. Break it down, yeah. Okay, we put it now. Not very hot yet, but still a lot of oil. That's alright. Okay, I failed because I didn't able to lock it. Yeah, so the meat is actually open on the side. It's alright, it's still food. Look at that. I'm just going to add some soy sauce and we'll be ready. I've seen one YouTube channel. Basically, it's a family vlog of American family. Yeah, and yeah, one of their son is eating rice always with soy sauce. Yeah, it's good to know, because that was me when I was very young. I mean, a lot of Filipino kid was having like that: rice, soy sauce, and a little oil. It is already 1 o'clock. I'm editing a video. I received a missed call from Inigo because I was in the shower when I heard the video, the call. What's I'm talking about? And this is cooked minced pork, and I'm just going to cook it again. It's already cooked, but no flavor. And I still have this one, chili con carne. Just add 500 grams lean minced beef, 400 grams chopped onion, no, tomato, and 400 grams canned red kidney beans. I don't have that. Yeah, I'm just going to use part of this, and that is going to be my lunch. Or maybe Inigo will invite me to go for lunch. That's why he called. I don't know, maybe we go somewhere. I don't know. I send message, but they just reply, ah. Oh, I still have this tomato, 1 piece. And according to the recipe, just add some water and onion, no tomato. Of course, I'm not going to follow the recipe because I don't have the complete ingredients. Let's also put some onion. this kind of powder. Just like I can still use this. Oh, it smells like tacos. Oh no, Mexican something. I am going to adjust the taste later. I am really hungry, that's why I am eating this now. And I'm going to put also some of this vegetable here. Okay, so this is how it is now. Not bad. Yeah, but you know, I remember that when I was working in Sydney, in one of the restaurant there, there is one Mexican guy in our kitchen, and yeah, he made a nice, very delicious chili con carne. That's the most delicious chili con carne I tasted ever. There is a new guy. So we are here in Birobi. Inigo wants to see the sunset. And I am with Inigo and Erickson. Erickson is the new guy, but he don't wanna be in the video. Yeah, so we respect that. At the moment, you can see there are many people in there. Walking around. How amazing! Yeah, there's really are so much people in here. And look at that parter there. You see, there's so many. And if you remember, I used to walk all the way to Newcastle. Yeah, it was really tiring. And I reached Newcastle around 8 o'clock in the evening. It was a good experience, but I'm not going to do that again. Maybe I'll do that again if there is someone with me. Yeah, that was one good experience, walking along the beach all the way to Newcastle. Yeah, nice. My real plan was to drive with a bike along the coastline going to Newcastle. Good thing I did not do that because yeah, it's not bike friendly. Some are very soft sand and it's not good for the bike. Such a long time that I really miss your smile. I'm not talking about moving in. Don't wanna change your life, but there's a one wind blowing the stars around. So we'll see you tonight. Inigo noticed that there are so many this kind of grass now. Yeah, because yeah, before there is none. Okay, so we just finished eating inside, and it is written in the front that if you want to eat, you need to give the details. I mean, your information, so that for contact tracing in case of COVID cases. Yeah, that is how it is. There is a 1.5 meter distancing inside the restaurant, but at the moment it's just us who eat there. There are some takeaway and mostly are drive-through.